Coach Barmore and I are both very competitive, and that can sometimes lead to disaster or it can lead to success. When you're on the same team, I tend to think it leads to success.
I wanted to win. I was a competitor, and I wanted everybody around me to feel the same way. We handed this community and this surrounding area something they never thought they'd have.
I told a coach one time, someday I'm going to stay in the game long enough to beat that man.
You know, it was just such an awesome thing to know that from little old Ruston, Louisiana Tech, I was in the highest level Hall of Fame you could get.